Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enter referral code on Cash App. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to open your Cash App, and after that simply when you open your Cash App, so as you can see this is the main interface of Cash App. So now on the top right side you can see profile icon, so just simply click here, and now here you have to go to scroll down, and here you can simply see enter referral code option. So just click here, and after that here just type the referral code that you want, like in digits and words. So after that, just when you type a referral code here completely, so after that click on next. So in this way you can enter a referral code in Wise, and after that go back. So in this way you can easily enter a referral code in Cash App.